The Little Mermaid costume has become an essential choice for kids, showcasing a shimmering green tail and a purple shell bikini. This ensemble allows children to embody Ariel's adventurous spirit and aspirations for freedom. Kiss costumes capture the essence of the legendary rock band, inspiring children to embody their iconic image through unique face paint and extravagant outfits. This transformation offers kids the exhilarating experience of rock stardom for an evening. The Barbie costume enchants young girls with its glamorous design and chic accessories. It fosters creativity and individuality, serving as a symbol of freedom and imagination deeply rooted in 1980s pop culture. In the film Beetlejuice, Michael Keaton's chaotic ghost character inspires costumes that allow fans to channel his energetic and iconic style. This opens the door for creative expressions during Halloween festivities. The Princess Bride presents costumes like those of Wesley and Princess Buttercup, enabling fans to reenact their romantic escapades. These outfits resonate